Samsung phones come with a lot of powerful camera tools that many users never fully explore. These hidden features can seriously improve your photos and videos once you understand how to use them properly. One of the most impressive is single take mode, AI multi capture. Instead of manually taking multiple shots, this mode uses AI to capture a short burst of photos and videos from different angles and styles. You simply open the camera app, select single take from the More section, and press the shutter button. As you slowly move your phone around the scene for a few seconds, the camera automatically generates different outputs like normal photos, wide shots, short clips, boomerangs, and even filtered versions. Afterward, you can choose the best results from your gallery. It's especially useful for events or group photos where you don't want to miss a moment. Another useful tool is Grid Lines Purpose Level Indicator. This feature helps improve your composition and keeps your photos straight. You can enable it from camera settings under Composition Guide. Once activated, you'll see a 3x3 grid on your screen along with a level indicator. The grid helps you apply the rule of thirds for better framing, while the level turns yellow when your phone is perfectly straight, no more crooked horizon shots. For video lovers, slow motion and super slow motion is a fun feature. You can access it through the More section in the camera app. Normal slow motion is great for everyday scenes, but super slow-mo can capture extremely detailed movement at up to 960 FPS on supported devices. Some Samsung models even include motion detection, which automatically starts recording when something moves in the frame. Finally, Pro Mode and Pro Video Mode give you full manual control, just like a DSLR camera. You can adjust ISO, shutter speed, white balance, and focus. Lower ISO is ideal for bright conditions, while higher ISO helps in low light. Shutter speed lets you freeze fast action or create long exposure effects, but slow speeds often require a tripod for stability. Together, these features turn your Samsung phone into a powerful creative camera tool rather than just a simple point-and-shoot device.